Hi guys, Adrian here, and today I'm going to discuss with you in this short video about a topic all traders should know about, and that's time management. While we all like to think of the markets trading around the clock as a huge advantage, it doesn't come without its downsides. Just because a market is open doesn't mean that the time you are present is an appropriate time to trade, nor does it always mean that one has enough time to truly analyze the market in the manner that it should be and make appropriate decisions based on the information available at that time. Managing time is a huge roadblock for many startup traders, as they are simply not used to a fixed routine and are still testing their newly acquired knowledge. Over the years, I have received many emails asking me about when to trade, what to do if a person only wishes to trade part-time, and similar. So here are 5 steps that I think would help you in your time management when trading. Number 1, specify a time for trading. You have to set yourself a specific time in your day which will be dedicated to trading. To establish a good time, you need to take in consideration many factors. This is something you need to think about for yourself. For example, if you are based in Europe at noon, you could trade the European market as well as the US market. When you are doing so, be focused and do that only. Specialize in one market and limit your trading assets. You also have to make sure that you do all the other important tasks you had in mind for the day before or after the trading zone you decided on. Number 2, be consistent. After you've set up a trading time that is best for you, you then have to stick to it. Being consistent is the next rule. Try to always trade between the chosen hours so that it becomes a daily routine. Other tasks or new tasks that come up during the day, you should try and take care of before or after your specified trading hours. Doing so can keep you on the right track because you should not think of trading as a hobby. Number 3, exercise. I'm a big fan, as I'm sure you know by now, of keeping healthy. You have to keep your mind fresh and active, and one way of doing so is through daily exercise. Do what you like to do, go running or swimming or just go for a daily walk. This way you will feel more energized and more focused and relaxed while trading. Number 4, specialize yourself. We all have problems with time. There just never seems to be enough of it. So we have to make sure that we maximize the hours that we have. We cannot trade everything, and it's best that when we do trade, that we trade well. This is why it's better to specialize in certain assets or currency pairs that are available for trading during your chosen trading hours and focus on them. Number 5, plan the next day. Set yourself some limits, both for losses and profits. You can set yourself up to stop trading if you win or lose a certain percentage per day. In each case, after you reach the limit, you set yourself stop trading and start again the next day where you are fresh again and focused. You definitely should not try to make up money from any losses of the previous day. This can only lead to even more losing trades. Stick to your plan, and when your trading hours are over, finish up and go to sleep or watch TV or do other activities. Always try to think ahead about the next day. Go through some of your news channels, be aware of certain events that could be on the horizon and that could affect your trades or opportunities that could arise. Thank you for watching. To learn more about Forex trading, please visit www.forexduality.com.